Hey everybody, Jason with Next Gen Environmental and Precision Home Inspection here. Hey, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about an improperly installed radon mitigation system. I'm doing an inspection today and we found one that's been installed improperly, and I just want to talk a little bit about it. You can see it right here behind me, and we'll go over a few things that are wrong about it. Number one, first and foremost, you can see the fan is inside. Anything on the pressure side of the fan, so anything above the fan and the discharge of the fan, needs to be either A, in the attic above living space, or B, outside. Like we can run through the rim joist and put the fan on the outside. But anything positive where it has the potential of pushing gas into the home, you want obviously out of the living space. So you can see that's installed in here. Obviously it's just plugged in right there. We have no mechanical shut off. The other thing that you can see here is we're in the center of the building. We're drawing from the center of the building. Now, typically people think that's where you want to put it, is in the center of the building. But really you don't want to, because when we excavate for foundations, we dig for the footing, and then we backfill around those footings. So typically around the edge of the building, the perimeter is where the soil is least compacted. Radon is a very lazy gas and it takes the easiest route, and we want to try to get as much draw as we can throughout the whole slab. So if you put the suction point at the outside edge of the perimeter of the building, you have a higher possibility of drawing everywhere around the slab. Number three on this thing is there's no manometer here. Obviously we can hear it running, but we don't know if there's any suction happening or not. So there's no labels, monitors, or anything like that on this thing. So I'm gonna take you up into the attic and show you the discharge going up through the attic and a real simple solution to this. Down here, basically we would eliminate this, tie in, actually run over to the perimeter of the building, dig a new suction hole and a pit in there, and then do some diagnostics to make sure that we're getting full slab draw. And then, so that would eliminate this all in here, and then I'll take you up in the attic and show you what we do up there. Okay, so we're up in the attic here, and you can see right behind me here, this is where that pipe from downstairs radon mitigation system is coming up through and going through the roof. So typically what we'd want to do here is cut this off right about where my hand is, install the fan right there. That way we're up here above conditioned space, and if there's ever a problem and that fan starts leaking on the positive side of that pressure, then it's at least it's a little safer, and it's up here in the attic space area. So that's where we put it. We tie into electric right here, and then, like I said, put manometers and all that stuff down in the basement so you can actually monitor it and make sure it's going good. So you can see why it's so important to hire a certified radon mitigation installer. Here in New York State, we're not regulated, but we are. Next Gen, our one company, is certified through NRPP to install radon mitigation systems. You just follow the rules and regulations that are nationally recognized, so that's what you want to do. So many times you get fly-by-night contractors that just install it like this, and that is wrong, and it has the potential to be unhealthy and cause even bigger problems in the home. So please, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Please, we love that. More subscribers we get, the more information that gets out there. And also hit the little bell thing there, because then you'll get notified when we start doing other videos. So thanks and have a great day. This is Jason with Next Gen Environmental and Precision Home Inspection. Thanks.